So whether this is your first time purchasing a vacuum cleaner, or perhaps you're looking to get rid of your old one, you definitely need to check out this Cordless Anti-Tangle vacuum cleaner. First of all, let me say the brand did gift this to me to test out and try. I have a couple dogs myself, and not only that, I have a grooming business in my garage. So there is constantly pet hair, pet dander, dust coming in my house. So to test out an anti-tangle vacuum cleaner, I was definitely looking forward to this. And for anyone that has those washable area rugs like I do, you know the frustration when some vacuums will actually suck up that rug. I've already tested this out. This one does not do that at all. Let me share with you some of the details, and then I'm going to demonstrate this. You can see I don't have the end on it yet. That's because I want to show you here this button. This can actually extend to get to those hard to reach places. Something else I really love about this vacuum is the fact that you can take out the roller on the side here. This one, all you have to do is flip up this lever and then pull it out, and you can easily clean the head. Put it back in like this, and then click it back down. Something else I really like is this only weighs a couple pounds. I can literally hold this up with 2 fingers, so it is nice and lightweight. The battery sits right back here, which is completely rechargeable. With the press of a button, it comes right out. So something else you've got to check out is not only does it come with this attachment that's already on the machine, you get this one as well. And then when you're finished, you're going to pinch these together and pull it back. I love the fact that you're no longer going to lose that. And if you're wanting to use the extension, you're just popping it on this end. They also included this little brush. Why all vacs don't come with this. So if something gets clogged, you can definitely use the brush and get it unclogged. To empty the canister, you're just going to push that little button. The little door opens, and when you're done, just click it shut. Or if you want to remove the entire canister, it actually shows you here on the side a lock position and unlock. I mean, look how super simple that is. And then as you can see, it does come with filters. This is a 5-layer filter that's really going to help filter out like pollen, dust, dander, allergens in the air as you're vacuuming. Let me show you what it picks up. So this is one of those washable rugs. So I'm going to show you this vacuum cleaner does work on it. You do have to use it on the low mode. There is the low mode. It's got LED lights at the end. Usually my old vacuum cleaner would be sucking this completely up and stopping. It would not even go. This one will go on these washable rugs. You cannot use the medium or high on it. If you notice, if I try to use it on medium or high, it blinks at me. You can only use the low option. From carpet to your hardwood floor without there being any issues at all. Back to the rug. That's underneath one of my sofas. Show you how much hair it picked up on that rug. You can see right here. So I'm going to show you how well this vacuum cleaner works. And you can see there is lots of dog hair. There's dog food, crumbs, everything. And we are going to suck it all up. So we're just going to do it on low so you can see how quickly it picks up. Look at it just suck all that in. And that's just on low. I'm going to kick it up a little bit. Even hitting the big stuff. You can see all of the hair. And even go with this big piece of mud. Now I'm going to kick it up on the highest so you can hear it. Let's check out the head and see if it tangled up at all. If you notice on the bottom here, none of the hair is wrapped around. None of it. So that anti-tangle definitely works. So that's awesome. And then I'm going to show you here in the canister, you can see exactly how much hair that I picked up. Put this bag underneath the canister here so you can see how much it drops out. You're just going to push this button, opens that door. You can see there's dog food right there even. I'm just going to take my hands and pull out. Look at all that. Look at all that hair and dirt. So you can see how great the suction is with this, how easy it is to use. I just absolutely love it and would recommend this. 10 out of 10. The ease of it, how light it is, the rechargeable battery, everything is great. So if you're checking this out, I definitely recommend.